All right, I'm going to show you how to write a real estate rental listing for a property. We're going to pull some information off of a Zillow listing. I just pulled a condo out in somewhere in New York and just sort of went through and grabbed some of the information off of that. I try to keep away from anything that wasn't just the bedrooms, bathrooms, and then just kind of the overall specs, because you see that somebody did write a bit of a description here. But honestly, if this house has been listed before and there is some sort of description already here that you can use for the property, what we can do is we can take that and we can actually use it to remix it with the AI. So I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm actually going to say just use this, paste that in. Cool. And I'm going to ask OpenAI Playground, openai.com, hey, can you write out a rental property listing? Here is some of the information about the property. Specs, features, old description, rent price. We're going to hit submit, and then let's see what it comes up with. So over here on the right hand side, if we don't like what we get, we're going to tweak some of these to see if we can change what our output is. But let's see what we got. All right. Ultimate Upper East Side living, lovely balcony. I think that was from the last one. 24-hour doorman. Call the day to schedule viewing. Call to action at the end. We're doing great, right? But let's actually go ahead and turn this temperature all the way up. I'm going to turn presence penalty up a little bit right there. You can look at these to see what they kind of do. Ultimately, all I really understand about these fully is that if you change them, you get a little bit of a different output depending. Mostly what impacts it is adding in stuff in here. Okay, this is cool, but I'm going to say right here, can you use fancier words and make the part sound more exciting? And then that will just tell the AI, just like a human being, to use fancier words and make the apartment sound more exciting. So we're going to see if it does that. Wow, magnificent 3-bedroom. Breathtaking views. Modern elegance. Wow. Fabulous wet bar. Enhance your comfort. Wow, we really got some excellent phrasing in here. So anyhow, I think this is a knockout listing for a rental. So if this helped you out at all, please go ahead and hit that like button. It helps tell YouTube that this video was helpful to you, so it can be helpful to others. It also helps my channel out. I appreciate you watching this, and have a good one.